Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you fix your video call problem on your Messenger on Android. It is a very straight and easy process. Just follow the step which I'm showing you and you will get to know it easily. So let's get into the video. So before opening your Messenger application, you have to open your settings first. After opening the settings, you have to scroll down and open the apps option and click on the apps option. It will start showing you all the apps in the phone and you have to scroll down and open the Messenger application from the apps option. When the Messenger application gets open, click on the permission section and open it. After opening the permission section, scroll down and click on the camera. When it gets open, allow it, then press back and move toward music and audio section and then click on allow button and then go back again. Now go back to your app section, open up your camera and press force stop, which is at the right bottom of your screen. Press OK and your problem will be fixed. Now you can open your Messenger app and enjoy using video calls. I hope that you will get a help from this video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also comment below.